your happiness ikuwe. Just decide nje on this beautiful Sunday ukuthi namhlanje ngizikhetha mina and nothing can bring me down. It doesn't matter what you went through izolo. It doesn't matter ukuthi yini ekuzwise ubuhlungu. But today, just decide ukuthi it's all about me, and going forward, I choose me. I choose to stand firm in my decisions. Yes, kunzima, and sometimes we find ourselves questioning our steps and questioning ukuthi izinto sizozenza kanjani ukuze sihlangane. Kodwa namhlanje, may you focus on the positive. May you focus on the good that you can bring out on yourself. May you focus kuloko kuhle waziyo ukuthi you can still, you still have an opportunity to achieve lezo zinto lezo. Isikhathi esiningi we find ourselves expecting ukuthi injabulo yethu should come from other people. But have you ever tried ukuthi wena uzijabulise wena, uzikhethe wena in everything that you do? Today is the day where you decide to choose you, Mtanasekhaya, and say it is all about me and I choose me, and I know ukuthi I am capable of anything engifisa ukuyenza. As long as you work hard towards leyo nto leyo ufuna ukuyenza, nothing can stop you. Nothing can stop your joy. Nothing can stop injabulo yakho. It doesn't matter ukuthi bakwenzeni izolo. It doesn't matter ukuthi bakwenzeni last week, but today, from today going forward, it is all about you, Mtanasekhaya. Kulosula namhlanje, may you ignore the negative, the negative voices that come, sometimes bangabuhleli wedwa and they just keep on playing ekhanda lakho. Choose not to listen to any of that namhlanje. Choose not to actually pay attention, to all the negative that comes your way, and just say namhlanje kungami. The day you decide ukuthi injabulo yakho is from within you, that is when you will come across people that will add on what you've already created without expecting ukuthi bona they should always actually be the ones that will bring that happiness empilweni yakho. Let them come. Kodwa kube ukuthi wena uyazi ukuthi what it takes to keep you happy, what it takes for you to remain positive in all your situations, what it takes for you to actually choose you. Many times we choose to put abanye abantu before ourselves. This is not the day, Mtanasekhaya. Try it and see ukuthi uma uzikhetha wena, injabulo yakho izoba khona na.